start with the next few hours because they're probably going to be the most interesting, the most diverse. At the moment, the cloud curls, there's low pressure there. There's one off the north and the North Sea, and that's drawing rain down across Scotland, and it has been across northern England. And then a gap, and then showers across much of southern England. Now, if I zoom into what's happened recently, it's still raining in Manchester just, but it's moving east of the Pennines now. And the showers in the south, and the Channel also moving eastwards, so things are generally drying up. And the picture for the rest of Sunday is for this to turn generally more showery, more bright weather for northern England, southern Scotland, the rain continuing in the Highlands, a nice belt of sunshine through much of Wales and the Midlands, and the showers continuing to run along the south coast, heavier later on in the day. A cold day today, especially comparing with yesterday, not because of the wind direction, because of the change in the type of air, the air mass. Now, there's fairly high confidence as we go through the rest of the week that that air mass won't change a great deal, but let's look at tonight first, and we carry on with a showery theme, 5 to 7, so it's not too cold a night. Now, looking ahead then, the next few days, the general pattern will be a showery one with the winds turning around to the north, so it's going to turn colder. That means ground frosts fairly quickly in Scotland, but spreading probably down to southern England by the end of the week, and air frosts following into much of northern Britain, and often it will be fairly windy. Let's take you to the charts then, first of all. That's Monday. This is still going to bring rain to northern Scotland. There's our depression. Quite a windy one, as you can see. One line of showers coming through, and then I think rain for Monday night. That runs through into the east, and then we're back to showers once again. A northwesterly now, you'll notice. But the really cold air comes in between, behind this kink here. That's northerlies behind that. So most of us feeling particularly cold during Thursday and then into Friday, when an anticyclone starts to build and knocks any showers on the head. Maybe the start of a good weekend. Who knows? Confidence runs out then. But for Monday then, quite a showery picture, particularly for the western side of the country. The north, it's probably still going to be fairly wet, the extreme north of Scotland. Eastern side, maybe some brighter and sunnier weather. Not quite as warm as today, but I suppose roughly the same. Now, by the end of Monday, that rains into much of Wales and southern England. That will run across the whole country, keeping temperatures up. But a touch of ground frost likely, I suppose, maybe through Northern Ireland, maybe southern Scotland and extreme northeast of England. Tuesday, a day of showers. We see goodbye to the rain on the eastern side, and that could be the end of the rain for quite a while for a large part of southern England, apart from fleeting showers. Breezy weather there, northwesterly, bringing showers down through the gap, the northern gap there, in towards the Cheshire Plain, towards Manchester and Lancashire. Particularly heavy showers, I think, during Tuesday as the day goes on. Temperatures possibly down a degree on what they were the day before. On Wednesday, showers running down occasionally across the whole country, many of them squally, turning wintry, eventually, probably more likely on Thursday in the north of Scotland. And all of us, I think, probably catching a shower during Thursday. Friday, the anticyclone builds from the west, as I say, fairly high confidence and a showery theme to the week.